Hi, we are Aram's Auto Repairs and Service Center, a mechanic shop in Surrey, BC. We understand that car repairs cause a lot of stress, which is why, here at Aram's Auto, we can save you from hassle and stress. We offer diagnostics, car repair, mileage correction, key programming, vehicle AC services, body repairs and paint, vehicle electrical services. Diagnostics. Our staff are trained in diagnosing all types of issues. We perform engine, airbag, brake, odometer and maintenance lights diagnostics. Car repair. Our mechanics offer a broad range of repairs for all types of vehicles in Surrey, BC. Mileage correction. Our staff are able to correct digital odometers on most vehicles. Key programming. We can digitally program keys for most cars, even if all keys have been lost. We offer a C diagnosis and repair for most cars and trucks, including semi-trucks in Surrey. Body repairs and paint. Our mechanics are highly skilled in rebuilding and restoring vehicles after accidents. Vehicle electrical services. We offer a wide range of electrical services, such as odometer light diagnostics, key programming, mileage correction, and more.